When we first sat down to discuss the design of the new Vivobook S, we started from the roots. How do we want this laptop to empower our users? We wanted our audience to go further and beyond and explore the possibilities that the modern world presents. Vivobook is designed to empower young users from its very core. These laptops live by 3 core values: creativity, individuality, and potentiality. And it starts with the name. Vivo is made of 2 parts. VI stands for visuals. We want the users to be able to create their own image. And VO stands for voice. The Vivobook users are vocal, and this laptop gives them their own voice with which they can connect with the world and one another. So to realize our vision, we knew we needed a laptop that's different and gives the user power to showcase their individual style and uncompromising personality. We used a building blocks design concept to shape the Vivobook S, inspired by the recent shifts in the fashion industry and social environment. And this approach gives the laptop a unique, somewhat rugged urban look. It also adds visual thinness to the laptop and further echoes the core values of personality. The unique shape goes hand in hand with our color choices. Inspired by the mix and match aesthetic, we combine universal yet cool toned-down base colors with bold color blocks accent to deliver a laptop that's recognizable at first sight while being appropriate for any occasion. Users can choose one of the 4 colors to best suit their personalities. Midnight black with a slight greenish tint has a tough universal look, perfect for urban explorers. Cool silver is great for those looking towards the future, and solar blue is sure to be noticed and make users look cool whatever they're doing. And finally, cream white is a perfect combination of soft and bold and stands out while still minimalistic. In this laptop, the devil is in the details. The smart accents look cool and offer users practical benefits. We chose orange as the color that stands out the most in nature to fit our users, with its positive, energetic, and exciting look that inspires action. Users will easily find all the functional details of this laptop. We have a rubber stick-out tab on the top cover to make opening the laptop easier. Contrast color escape keycaps and texture enter keycaps, and rubber bumps on the bottom are striking visual details and keep the laptop stable and in place on any surface. The brand new Vivobook S. Go further and beyond. Explore the possibilities.